Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we're trying something a bit different. It's a Goodfood recipe, which is a salted caramel brownie recipe. I thought it sounded really good, so we should give it a go. If you've been here already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you. So to begin with, we need to grease and line our tray bake, and then we need to melt 200 grams of butter. It suggested unsalted, but I thought if it was salted caramel, let's just have a salted one. And then you are going to add some chocolate. It suggests 100 grams of 70% chocolate and 100 grams of 50% chocolate. I've just done a light and dark just to kind of have a bit of a difference in chocolates at least. So once the butter's melted, you're going to take it off the heat, crack in all your chocolate and sort of stir it through and let it melt in. Once you're happy with that, in a small bowl we are going to put together 175 grams of our tinned caramel with a teaspoon of salt, and then just give it a bit of a stir to loosen it up. We are then separately going to put the rest of the caramel in a large bowl with 200 grams of caster sugar. It did say golden, but I've just used normal, and 4 medium eggs, and beat it all together until it's even and mixed well. You're then going to mix in the chocolate mix. Just make sure it's not still hot because you are putting it on eggs, so you don't want those to scramble. Separate bowl, we are combining 130 grams of plain flour and 50 grams of cocoa with a pinch of salt. I didn't add the salt into this bit because it's in the butter, and then sift that into your brownie mix, obviously the wet chocolate mix that you've got there. So this is where the fun bit starts. So you're going to pour about half of your mix into your tin, spoon half of the caramel on top into evenly spaced lines, spoon the rest of the brownie on top, trying not to agitate it too much, and then again with the caramel on top. I did it in different directions to make sure each slice had like a good amount of caramel through it. It then suggested to feather the caramel on top with a knife, and that is going in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. I would suggest closer to the 30 because I think my brownies were just a smidgy bit under. Let me know if you try these, let me know what you think. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.